Till now, after even 2.5 years, this issue is lingering and no solution has been found. Be it petrol bomb, hurling of petrol bomb in different places.
Kindly do not divert what I have said. I have said the situation is bad.
Okay, let him carry on, please.
So,
please sit
do
down.
not change the room.
Yes.
I said the situation is better.
Sir,
I didn't say
Mr.
it's
Deputy
perfect.
Speaker, sir, the
Yeah,
very
yeah.
essence of debate, we should always understand the very essence of debate. If somebody has
Okay, you continue.
mentioned which is not correct, I will have to correct it.
You continue.
This is
your
my
speech.
privilege as the member of this August House.
No.
Let me tell you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I have the privilege also. Not only him. What the hell you are talking about?
See, Mr.
I have the privilege also.
Please.
Hey man, I have the privilege also.
Please,
Don't talk like that.
Please,
I
Mr.
said better situation.
Sangma, Saleng Sangma, please sit down.
we can see the record, sir. He has mentioned that we are living
No, no,
peacefully.
please.
We are living
Have you
peacefully.
been a victim? Bullshit.
Please, sir. Please,
His unparliamentary words should be.
please, Mr. Saleng.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Honorable member, please sit down. No, please sit down.
Don't talk to me, talk to the chair.
Please sit down.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Hadien ka jingiatai ka khluit hapdeng MLA ka NCP Saleng Sangma bod MLA ka Congress Zenith Sangma iing dorbarbar mena ka sngi balang jong ka tarik naiwieng liang Saleng Sangma pynpaw bo Kano Kano ka jingshun ne ka jingbuhnud Zenith Sangma hynrei ka jingmih jong ka jingiakhluid ka tang to ka sngi kapor iatai Kano Kano ka jingiakynat hapdeng jong bod Zenith Sangma Saleng pynpaw ru ya ka jingsngew babi halor ka jingbakla kren ka jong iing dorbarbar bod ulaong ba ka jingbalong ban kumbakla kren dom iing dorbarbar ka tang ka jingsngew kya ka man siem ka baulai kendo aka ha ka jingem ka jong
I regret, saying all those unparliamentary words, no doubt. But I felt provoked that, I brought lots of good issues, like 100 students were expelled because of the administration failure, and then officers were terminated because of the education scam, and then law and order was that my house was also blasted. Jose Bina was killed. My NCP candidate, along with him, 5 of them were killed. My people were killed, and now they are widowed. Lots of things happened, and then people were living in fear. Education scam, health scam, lots of scams were there. So I was bringing those issues actually in the house so that it can be looked after, in a better way. I was never against anybody, and I brought the issue of domiciliate also, which in domiciliate actually from 2007 itself the school was closed. No healthcare has taken place till then. It's been very long. So I requested the Chief Minister through the Speaker at least to look after all those things. These were the genuine issues, and I said the situation right now is much better, freer. Any small traders now they are not having any fear. They can go anywhere out of fear. They are more freer, you can say. People of Garvins are more freer. Okay. Now any businessman, any contractor, any family can go out. Like before, we were living in a tension, that I might get kidnapped, I might get killed. All those fear was there. But right now, I'm not saying the crime is over. Common crime here and there is happening. But when you look at the rate of crime that has happened before and now, it's more or less, That's what I have said. But I feel really provoked when I raised just to correct my own word, He was trying to put our word in others' mouth every now and then. You have seen it actually during the course of reply by Zenith Sangma, and then what do you call this one? The Home Department. Like he was trying to put everybody's everything in their mouth. So at least he should not have done it actually after being said and again. I felt so provoked because he was trying to correct my word. Okay, instead he was not correcting he was twisting my word. So therefore, I stood up under point of order 300 rules and conducts of business. I was trying to correct my own word. Though I regretted speaking that unparliamentary, I never regretted banging the table for the people. You see, I will still bang the table for the people. There's lots of issues for the people, definitely. I'm not here to look after my privilege. I'm for the people, I'm for the people on the ground. Those who are people living in the border area, or those who are having trouble every night, and then those who are having a sleepless night because of hunger, lots of issues are there. Like, I'm not here for my privilege. Come on, man. I'm for my people. When I said provoked, I was having an emotional attachment with all those people who has come across, who were the victim of this lawlessness during those times. Widowed, my house was blasted, all those things, So I still have that nightmare. That nightmare is still lingering in my head, okay? Because I'm still looking after those widowed who were the victim of that lawlessness during that time. So, but in the course of, that debate, at the heat of the moment, maybe I have said those, unparliamentary words, but I don't have any personal issues with them. Nothing is there. Nothing. But as I've said, I'm for the people. So that particular nightmare has carried me away actually, because I'm emotionally attached to whatever had happened, not only to my family, but to all the other families which had happened during those times. When I said, like I was provoked to, in a sense, like, you see, when I was trying to raise that under 300 point of order, no, he was saying that, like, okay, like, it's my privilege. We have the privileges also. I have the privileges also. People have given me the privilege actually. So not necessarily that, especially in the house, you can just clap your, one hand cannot clap actually. We need both hands to clap. You see, we need both hands to clap actually. That's why not only he is always right. You got my point. They feel like, like, you see, before they were always optimists, but I don't know why come they're being pessimists nowadays. You see, it's quite strange, it's very strange to understand men like them, like trying to provoke anybody every now and then, getting irritated, getting angry. It's not wise, for them. So they should take care of their altars.